Ano yan? Girls versus boys? Oh.
Halo-halo po ata.
Oo nga.
Si Elliot.
Matatalo sila, Judah. May malaking bata eh. Oh.
Oh.
May dalawang malaking bata dun eh.
Oh! Are you a doctor? What are your pets? What are the animals inside?
Who has sick? Who has sick animals?
Inside.
Okay.
My elephant is inside. Hi!
Tricycle driver. Okay, masabi tricycle driver. Driver, sweet lover, ha? And you?
Engineer.
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 Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay, she wants to be a doctor. Who wants to be a patient? Raise your hands. Oh, siya din. And you?
Police.
Policeman.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Nothing.
Okay. Ah, wala pa naman, wala pa. And you?
Doctor.
Doctor. Where do you want to go?
Airport.
Airport. Very good. Before you go to abroad, pupunta ka muna ng airport. Pag nasa airport ka na, saan pupunta?
SM.
SM. Pag nasa SM ka na, saan pupunta?
Jollibee.
For example, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, New York, USA. Where do you want to go? Saan ka punta?
The moon.
Ang gulo na ka-usap. Okay, which country ka na-go po yan?
Australia.
Australia. US.
China.
China.
Korea.
Korea. Tree. Mga puno. Okay, ready? Go!
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. It's a tree. Already go.
Carrot.
Carrot tree.
Apple tree.
Apple tree.
Mango tree.
Mango tree.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry.
Carrot tree. Banana tree. Give me another tree.
Poultry.
Apple tree. Coconut tree.
Orange.
Orange tree.
Guava tree.
Guava tree.
Mango tree.
Mango tree. Birch tree. Ay, Diyos ko, pati gato sasama na. Ready, another tree, Bella. Oak tree. Very good. Give me another tree.
Battery.
Battery. Lemon tree. Another tree. Pine tree. Okay, ilan na lang kayo? 1, 2. Magic tricks. Elliot, you want to learn some magic? Yes. You want to learn some magic, Bella? Very good. Alright, now, before we start, can you count 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3.
Make it loud.
1, 2, 3.
Make it fast.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Now, Tagalog. You say isa? Say isa?
Isa.
Dalawa? Tatlo. Very good. Now, Elliot, count 1, 2, 3. Kapampangan. Ito yung siya ko kapampangan. You say meto,
Mango.
adwa,
Agua.
atlo. Very good. Let's clap your hands for Elliot. Now, Bella, count 1, 2, 3. Chinese.
Ching, chang, chang.
Ching, chong, chong. Very good. Alright. Now, Elliot, I will show you my magic rope. It's a rope, okay? Can you hold, Elliot? Hold it. Very good. You don't move. Alright. Now, Bella, I will show you my magic wand. Now, Elliot, can you tell me what color? How about this one?
White.
Right, very good. Now, Bella, all you need to do is hold the magic wand and turn around like this. Follow the instruction and tap the rope like that. Do it. You hold Bella and turn around and tap. Come on, go, do it, do it. What are you doing? It's okay. Can you blow? Blow. And 1, 2, 3, and ta-da! It's magic. Now your turn, Bella. You hold and turn around and tap. Come on, Bella. Come on. What? What did you do there, Bella? Can you blow? 1, 2, 3, and blow. Ella, blow it. You blow. Don't hit, blow. And ta-da! Okay, now hold. Ta-da, 2 hands. And ta-da. What? Oh my God. It's okay. Now, I will show you my magic. Bang! Pamaypay like that, okay? So this one we call it Tagalog, pamaypay. What English na pamaypay? Aircon. Very good. Social. Okay, all you need to do is hold it here and open the aircon and paypay. Ready? You hold and open. Come on, do it. And paypay. Come on. How did you break it, Bella? It's okay, I have another one. What color? Colorful, yeah. What color?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Very good. Ini isa yan. You say rainbow.
Rainbow.
Okay, ready? Hold like this. Open, paypay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go! Let's go your hands for Bella! Oh my God, Bella, ka ba nila mo naman? Okay, now Bella, you know him? No? You know her? Yes. What's her name? What's her name? Bella, can you swing your hand like this? Para me. Swing your hand. Very good. 2 hands. Like this. Very good. And now hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Sophia!
Ayaw bitawan. Bitawan mo.
Here's a banana peel.
Yeah.
Banana
Banana
peel.
peel. What's it like? Oh, she's eating. So nice.
Are you in the sitting? You forgot the phone.
Sophia. Sophia.
Can I take a picture?